Welcome to Softreviewed. In this video, I just want to show you like how you can get 10% off on Vistasocial. If you don't know what Vistasocial is, this is something that I use on a day-to-day basis. This is a social media management platform. Why I like this is because you can connect to all your social media from a single dashboard, and you can also comment. As you can see, you can manage all the media. So if you want to create like a new automation, there are like built-in templates, or you can create from scratch. As you can see, there are like different templates. Auto reply to comment in DM, generate leads with stories, respond to all your DMs, and auto DM links from comments. So if somebody comments you, if you want to send a link to them automatically, then you can set it up using this. And if you want to respond to any of the comments, and that also you can completely do from here. You can see all the reviews that you are getting. You can create new tasks, notes. You can view all the report. You can create a new page. See, like Linktree, you can click on this and you can create beautiful pages with all your links. So there are like lot of features. It will take a lot of time in order to actually go through all the features, but the main feature that I want to show you is that you can add in like a lot of profiles. That's the main feature that I like. If I go to my brand profile, see, you can add Facebook, Google Business, Instagram, LinkedIn, Reddit, Pinterest, Snapchat, Threads, TikTok ads, X.com, which is like really hard to get these days, Tumblr, Blue Sky, YouTube, Bitly, and as you can see, there are like lot of integrations as well. Very powerful piece of software. You can see all the calendar and the schedules that you have. You can listen, and if you have a brand name setup, you can listen what social media is talking about. You can add listener here. If you come to dashboard, and let me just show you how easy it is to post one. So if you have like different ideas here, if you want, you can add like bulk publishing. As you can see, you can import from CSV, you can import from a blog using RSS feed, or you can click on find news and give like a keyword and find all the news related to that. Let's say AI, and you can just send it to, see, you can just select all and set it for posting. You can import using hashtag, repurpose the existing post, and you can even generate your own post using AI. So if you go through this, there are like lot of features, really powerful piece of software. So if you want to create like a new post, see the number of integrations that you have. Integration directly with Canva. So if you have your Canva, and if you have designs, you can directly get those designs from Canva and just click on it and just post it from here. You can upload videos. It also supports videos, and you can also upload images. You can upload documents. See, you can even upload PPT, docx for LinkedIn. So if you want to add mixed media, you can do that. You can create polls directly from here. So these are just like quick features that I just want to show you, like how powerful this actually is. So if you look at the pricing, if you pay yearly, it's $64 per month. And if you go look at the advanced plan, it's $120 per month. And if you use the enterprise, it's $304 per month. For most of us, this would be really helpful. Just want to show you, if you click on this update to personal, and you see it's around $758 per year, right? So if you want to save money using this, you just need to come to the pricing page like this and just paste this coupon code GN3TMZWY and just click on apply. And as you can see, you just saved $75 instantly here, and you only have to pay like the rest of the amount. You can continue with the payment. That's how you save $75. And if you go to the even expensive plans, you can all save 10% of that as well. So I hope this was helpful. If it worked, let me know in the comments that it worked for you. And if you saved some money, don't forget to share and subscribe for more future videos. Again, thank you for watching and have a great day.
Click that thumb.